Hello and welcome to my presentation and screencast for geographypods and Mr. Podbury. This video will compare the inequalities and difficulties between countries in the world, such as literacy rate, mortality rate in different countries and different continents. Now, we're going to start by the percentage of children from the ages of 0 to 14 by country. Now, we can observe that Niger has 47% of its population that is aged between 0 and 14 years old. Now, we could conclude that because there is a high infant mortality rate in this country as well, people make more children, so there's a greater chance of them to survive and have more of them to survive. This also shows that there might be lack of conception and access to conception, or it's too expensive for the people in this country. Now, if we go to another country, such as the United States, this is a 20%, which is a big difference compared to Niger. Now, United States is one of the most advanced nations in the world, and everyone has access to conception, except maybe in the deserts in Nevada. And generally there's a healthy population. Not too many people are infected by AIDS, or there's generally a good way of living and a high life expectancy and a low infant mortality rate. China has nearly the same age structure as numbers as the US. I mean, they have 20.1% again. Now, these numbers are from 2008, so I think because of the one-child policy, China numbers will have gone down by then, because the number of children before the one-child policy will have aged, therefore come out of this category, and all the children that have just been born with birth rate that has gone down will come into category. Now, France has a low age structure for 0 to 14 with 18.6%. Now, France at the moment has a pro-natalist policy. That means they're encouraging to have children, because we have a big aging population, and we won't have enough workforce for when we will need it. That's all for age structure 0 to 14 percentage. And next category.